You are my shining star, my beautiful angel, and my amazing queen. You are the most wonderful person that I have ever met, and the best thing that has ever happened to me. I cherish you always. I don't feel so close to heaven when we are together. Just being in your presence makes me think I can touch the sky. You are the reason why I want to live life to the fullest. Your voice is like an angel's song. You are the most beautiful creature that I have ever laid my eyes upon. You are perfect in every way. I love you, everything about you. I try to list your best qualities and still cannot do justice to your magnificence. You are the love of my life and my reason for everything that I do. I cherish you forever and always. Thank you for not giving up on us when everyone else did. I love you. I am so in love with every part of you. Your personality, your traits, and everything in between. Thinking about you gives me butterflies in my stomach. I am a lucky man to have someone so beautiful and so talented in my life. You know I hate saying this type of thing, but I just want you to know that I care about you a lot and I love being in your life. Thank you for seeing past all my flaws and for loving me when nobody else could. Every day, I want to be the best version of myself so that you will always stay with me. Thanks for being my shoulder to cry on during rough times. You always know the right words to say, and that's why I love you. I love you no matter what happens. I don't care if we are old and grey. You will always be the one for me. You are the light of my life. Just hearing your voice makes everything alright even when things are not going well. You are my soulmate and I love you with all my heart. I love our play dates together. Whenever I am with you, the time always goes by so quickly. I never want these moments to end. You can always make me laugh no matter what mood I am in. You can turn and bad situation into a good one with just your smile. You are one of a kind and I love you for it. I get a special feeling in my heart when I see you. It's a feeling that I can't explain, but I know that I truly love you. Thousands of people pass each other every day and don't take the time to really get to know one another. I am glad we got to meet and I hope we stay together forever. I know we will be together forever. I can feel it in my heart. No matter what happens, I will always love you. Every time I see you, my heart starts beating faster. Every time we talk, I feel warm inside. Every time we meet, I fall even deeper in love with you.